How to melt caramel candies into a sauce. This is a no-fail caramel sauce that's easier to make than most other recipes. It's perfect for so many uses, such as in cakes, toasted bread, or even licking it off a spoon. How to make caramel sauce using caramel candies. Microwave method. For every bag of soft caramels, 14 ounces, you'll need 2 tablespoons of milk. Step 1. Unwrap each candy and place it into a microwavable bowl. Step 2. Add in the milk. Step 3. Place on the microwave and heat on high in 1-minute intervals. Stir in between intervals until the candies are fully melted. Step 4. Let the caramel cool before using it. Step 5. Store the leftover sauce in an airtight container. Refrigerate it to make it last up to 3 months. Slow cooker method. All you need are 2 tablespoons of milk for every bag of soft caramels, a bowl that will fit inside the slow cooker, and water for boiling. Step 1. Unwrap each candy and place it into a bowl. Make sure not to overfill the bowl to avoid overflowing. Step 2. Add in the milk. Step 3. Fill the slow cooker with water up to the same level as the caramels. Step 4. Cover the slow cooker and cook on high for 2 hours. Step 5. Stir the caramel to see if there are remaining lumps. Step 6. Let the caramel cool before using it. Step 7. Store the leftover sauce in an airtight container. Refrigerate it to make it last up to 3 months. Stovetop method. All you need are a pan and 2 tablespoons of milk or cream for every bag of soft caramels. Step 1. Unwrap each candy and place it into the bowl. Step 2. Add in the milk or cream, whichever you prefer. Step 3. Melt the caramel over medium-low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally. Step 4. Check if you have the consistency you're looking for. Add more milk or cream, if necessary. Step 5. Let the caramel cool before using it. Step 6. Store the leftover sauce in an airtight container. Refrigerate it to make it last up to 3 months.